Hello students, hope all are fine. Today I am going to teach you the lesson, the computer game. Okay, let us begin our class with a new topic, the computer game. So the computer game, this lesson is present in the page number 65 children. If you see the page number 65, okay, before going to the page number 65, 66 page number is given children. On look into the picture, what is the picture consists of, what the picture is telling here. See, what is there here? One girl is standing, okay, and one person is making the host, and one big computer is there, and some audience are there as a children audience. That means some audience are there. Who are those audience? The audience are the small children. Okay, so children, did you have seen the picture? This is the picture. Now we are going to play the game on computer, the computer game. Our lesson name is, what is the title of our lesson? The computer game. Let us start children. Characters are given. What are the characters are given? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 characters. In that 5 characters, first noise maker is given, first noise maker, second noise maker. MT2, a computer, a boy and a girl is there. And the character name is Gary Lopes, Joan Robinson. Okay, these are the characters. I will read once again children. See everybody. The first one is the Gary Lopes. Second character is Joan Robinson. Next, first noise maker. That means there is a noise maker in the computer. First noise maker and the second noise maker. Two of them are there. Next, MT2, a computer is there. What is the name of the computer? MT2, a boy and a girl from the audience. These all characters are involved in our conversation. Okay. Now let us start here. Gary Lopes. Who is the Gary Lopes here? Television game host. So who are making to play the game? Okay, in the television he is the host. So Gary Lopes is the host. Next one, John Robinson. He is a person. Next, MT2, a computer. MT2 is the name of the computer. Next, first noise maker, second noise maker. Means they are making the noise and telling the answers so in the game. Next one, last one is a boy and a girl from the audience given here. Scene teacher. Scene, see children here. Scene, a television studio. Where is the scene here? In the television. Scene. 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 Where is the scene here? In a television. Television studio. Okay. Where is the scene is going on? The scene is going on in the television studio, children. Now let us start here. Gary Lopes. What he is speaking? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What he is telling? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. That means this game is going at what time? This game is played at what time? In the evening. So he is telling, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Who is the Gary Lopes? He is the game host who is making to play the game. He is the host. Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the computer game. Welcome to the computer game. Today another human player gets a chance to watch bits with our very own computer MT2. That means he is telling, what is telling? Today another human player, another human being or another human player going to get a chance to play with the computer. What is the name of the computer? MT2. MT2 is the computer. Okay. Now you can play with the computer. A human player can play with the MT2 computer. Next, MT2 blinks its lights and the studio audience claps loudly. MT2. What is the character here? MT2. MT2 is the computer, children. So what it is doing? It blinking its light. Computer has the lights, no? So it is blinking. And the studio audience, the audience who are sitting in the studio, what they are doing? They are clapping loudly, clapping the hands loudly. Next, Gary Lopes. Again, he is speaking. Today's player is Joan Robinson from the Oak Street School. Okay, from the Oak Street School. Who is the main player here? Who is playing with the computer here? A human player. Who is the human player here? John Robinson. John Robinson is the player who is playing with the MT2 computer, and he belongs to which school? Oak Street. Oak Street School. Feeling smart, John. And the host is telling, what is telling? John, you are looking very smart. Feeling smart, John. Next, John, ready. John is telling, John Robinson came, he is ready to play with the computer, and he is telling, ready. Next, Gary Loves, I hope so. May I remind you, no one has beaten MT2 at. Okay, what is telling? The host is telling that, who is the host? Gary Loves is telling that, till now, no one has beaten to the computer MT2. Now, here, how we play the game? I ask a question. No one has beaten for the computer MT2. Then who will? How will you play with that computer? I ask a question. The first player to sound a noise maker and give the correct answer scores 1 point. The first player to earn 3 points wins the game. Ready? Player. And he is giving some instruction, children, here. What instructions are given? He is giving the instructions to the John Robinson. Yes, John Robinson, who is playing with the MT2 computer. What is saying? No one has beaten till now. Okay, no one has beaten till now. Now here, how you will play with that? Play with the game. I ask a question. The first player, see, what the first player do? The first player to sound a noise maker. Okay, the first player, what he will do? He will make the sound and gives the correct score. 1 point is given to that person. The first player to earn 3 points wins the game. The first player will get how many points? Earns 3 points, children. Then he will be the winner. Ready, players? Okay, these all people are now going to involve in the game. In the which game? Computer game. And he is making ready to all the players. John, ready. How is telling them? John, ready. Next, MT2 in flat voice. In flat means how the voice of the computer. It is not like a human being. It is somewhat different with the music. Okay. How is telling in a flat voice? I am prepared to play. How is playing? I am prepared to play. Like that it is playing. I am prepared to play. Gary Lowe. First question. How much is 62,415 times? Okay, 78,921 means he is asking. Gary Lowe, he is the host of children. He is asking one question to the players. First question, how much is 62415? 62415 times, okay, times 78921. Okay, like this type of question is asked by the host to the players. Now, first noise maker. Okay, I don't know here. First noise maker, second noise. Two noise makers are there. After hearing the question, if they know the answer, they will make some noise. So, the first question, first noise maker is answering. Bleep. B-L-E-E-P. B-L-E-E-P. The first noise maker is making the sound. How? Bleep. Okay, bleep. MT2. The correct answer is 4925854215. Okay, this much big answer. In this big digits, the answer is given by the MT2 computer. So the answer might be in the lakhs and crores and millions. Okay, crores and millions, I think. Okay, Gary Lowe. Who is the Gary Lowe? Gary Lowe is the host in this game. Now, right. 1 point for the computer. Whatever the answer is told by the computer is the correct answer, and 1 point is given for the computer. Next, Gary Lowe. Right, 1 point for the computer. The audience claps politely. What the audience are doing? The audience, after hearing the answer by the computer MT2, they are just giving the claps. Next question. Listen carefully. What date in history did the pilgrims land at the Plymouth Rock? Okay. Next question is asked by the host to the computer and for the player. Who is the player? Human player here? John Robinson. Okay. The questions are asking for all, for computer and for the Robinson. What is the next question? What is the date? Mention the date. Okay, when did the pilgrims? Okay, pilgrim means the place where the prayer has to be done, worshipped. Okay, so where did the pilgrims land at Plymouth Rocks? Plymouth Rocks, children. Rock, everybody knows. So where it was landed, he is asking. Second noise maker. First noise maker is completed their work, and the second noise maker is making the sound. What is that? Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz, children. Okay. Second noise maker is making the sound buzz. Now, John 1620. Buzz. Second noise maker is making the sound buzz. First noise maker is made by the computer, so bleep sound came now. Now the second noise maker has made the sound buzz. And who is answering now? The second time is who is the answer here? Joel is answering. 1620. What is the year given here? 1620, children. Okay. The answer is told by whom? Joel Robinson. Who are playing here? Two members are playing. One is the computer and one is the Joel Robinson. So first answer is answer given by the computer, and the second question answer is given by the Joel Robinson. Okay. So what is the answer here? 1620. John is telling. Gary Lopes. I am sorry. It's not an exact enough answer. That means he has told the wrong answer. John Robinson has told the wrong answer. First noise maker, bleep. Again, the first noise maker is made the sound. What is that? Bleep. B-L-E-E-P. Bleep. MT2. The pilgrims landed at the Plymouth Rock on 21st December. 21st December. 21st December, children. So the computer is giving the answer 21st December of the year 1620. Means John Robinson has told the answer correct in the year. Along with the date and the month. Who has told the correct answer? The computer. MT2 has told the correct answer. Okay, children. If you turn the page number, all you can see in the picture what is going on here. So what is the answer told by the MT2? First of all, he made the noise. What the noise is made? Bleep sound is made, children. Bleep sound is made. Then afterwards, he told the answer. The computer told the answer 21st December 1620. Next, Gary Lopes. Right. 2 points for the computer. The computer has told the correct answer, no? So right. 2 points for the computer. If MT2 answers the next question, if MT2 answers the next question correctly, it's all over John. Now Lopes, he is the host. No, Gary Lopes is the host of the game. So he is giving the instruction for the player. Who is the player? John Robinson. What is telling? The two answers are told by the computer. The computer has told two correct answers. If the computer says, when I ask the third question, if the computer says the correct answer, then the game will be over. Okay. Boy in the audience. He is encouraging for whom? For John. Okay. Audience also sitting in the game, no? So one boy stood and telling something. Boy in the audience. What is telling? Come on, John. Come on, John. That means, come on, be ready to give the answer. Girl in the audience. Okay, again one girl stood and she is speaking few words. What she is telling? You can beat that talking tin can. You can give the answer to the talking tin can. Who is the talking tin can here? Can you tell me who is the talking tin can? The computer. MT2 is the talking tin can. So the girl is mentioning in another way. The name of the computer is mentioned in another way by the girl. What is that name? She is telling that you can beat the talking tin can. Tin is nothing but it is a metal. Can is nothing but the shape of the metal. Talking. That metal is talking. Okay, like that. Next, Gary Lopes. Quiet please. Gary Lopes. Who is the Gary Lopes? Host. Host is telling. What is telling? By hearing the words of the audience, the Gary Lopes. The host is telling. Quiet please. And there is the next question. Now, John is still speaking few words. Wait, wait, Gary loves. What's the matter, John? What's the matter, John? Who is asking here? Gary Lopes is asking the question. What's the matter? Why are you telling me to wait? John, could someone else ask the question, please? Okay, host, you just don't ask the question. If you give the chance to ask the question for another, okay, will you give the chance? Could someone else ask the question, please? Gary Lopes. What for? For what you are asking to do? John, maybe I'll have better luck with someone else. Maybe. See, whatever the questions you are asking me, no, it is, I am not able to give the answer. If that question, what you have prepared, if that questions are answered by another, it might be a good luck for me by asking, by hearing the question from their mouth. Okay. Next, John. Girl, come upon stage. Okay, one girl is telling that here, come upon. I'll ask it to John. I'll ask. So from the audience, one girl is shouting and telling. What she's telling? She came upon the stage and she's telling, I will ask the question, John. I will ask the question. It might be your luck in my words, like that. Next, John, whispering to her. Whispering means talking very silently. Okay, whispering to her. Put it in the form of a command. I think the computers only program for questions. Okay, put it in the form of a command. Put it in the form of a command. I think the computers only programmed for questions. Programmed for questions. Let us see here. Now the girl who came to ask the question here. Now here the girl came to ask the question here, children. Girl looking at question. What is doing? What the girl is doing? The girl is looking at the question and she is asking. Spell the word chrysanthemum. Spell the word chrysanthemum. Shall I write here, children? No, here. Chrysanthemum. 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 Okay, this is the word spelling. Okay, this is the spelling. And the girl is asking the question now. Spell the word. Give me the spelling to the word chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Okay, what is the meaning of chrysanthemum, children? Everybody knows, I think so. If you don't know, I will tell. Chrysanthemum is the name of the flower. Chamanti, you will tell in Telugu, Chamanti. So it is the name of the flower, children. So that question, please spell the word chrysanthemum. The girl is asking the question. First noise maker. The noise maker is making the sound. What is the sound? Bleep. Bleep sound is made by whom? The bleep sound is made by the first noise maker. See, when the first noise maker makes the bleep sound, who is going to give the answer? The computer. What is the name of the computer here? MP2. MP2 is the name of the computer who is giving the answer. CHRYSANTHEMUM is spelled. Okay, CHRYSANTHEMUM. Okay, MUM, children. So this is the spelling. Is spelled. Okay, is spelled. So that means the computer has given the spelling of the word. Now girl is telling yes. That means the computer is asking here what chrysanthemum is spelled. Chrysanthemum means computer is the machine, children. Okay, when the sound is heard, what is the sound? The sound. They spell the word chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum is spelled by hearing these words by the computer. Computer is giving the responding how chrysanthemum is spelled. Chrysanthemum is spelled. Girl, yes. Now MP2. I do not follow the question. I do not follow the question means that the question which was saved, which was feed, which was the data which has given in the computer. Chrysanthemum was not followed by the computer. Okay, that means the question did not understand to the computer. Please repeat in the programmed form. So how the program is there? In that way you should have to answer the question. Okay. Now, second noise maker, buzz. Second noise maker is doing what here? Buzz, B-U-Z-Z, second noise maker. That means now the second chance has given to whom? For John Robinson. Okay, second buzz. Second noise maker is made by the sound, made the sound buzz and giving the answer. John chrysanthemum. How is giving here answer? C hyphen H hyphen R hyphen Y hyphen S hyphen A hyphen N hyphen T hyphen H hyphen E hyphen M hyphen U hyphen M. So in this way, the computer has given C H R Y S A N T H E M U M, chrysanthemum. That means while he was going to spell the word, he has given some gap, C H R Y, like that. So the answer is given. The spelling of the chrysanthemum is given here. Girl, right, 1 point for the John. Whatever the answer is given by the John, it is the right answer. Boy, by hearing the right answer, boy, what is doing from the audience? Hooray! MT2 slowing down. Okay, MT2, what is doing now? MT2, it is a computer now. The computer is going to slow down. I am MT2, computer. I am MT2. I am MT. Like this, the sound is going on decreasing and decreasing. Gary Lobes. Gary Lobes, who is the Gary Lobes? The host. The computer's breaking down. The Gary Lobes, the host is telling that the computer is going on breaking down. Why? Because the question which was the girl is going to ask person was not saved in the program. That's why the computer is going to be breaking down. Next, boy from the audience. Then Jones the winner. That means the computer has no energy to give the answer. So who is the winner here? John is the winner. Suddenly MT2's light begins flashing brightly. Smoke pours out of its top. Next one means boy is telling the computer is going on dying. Next one, Gary Lobes. Look what you have done. It's blown a fuse. See, Gary Lobes, the host is saying, look what we have done. It's blown a fuse. John, now that's what I call a poor loser. Now I am telling that the computer was a poor loser. So this is our lesson, children, about the computer game. Characters are given and the two players, the human player and the computer, both of them are playing. Means they have a competition between them, like a quiz competition. Two questions in the computer which was saved in the questions which was saved in the computer were given answer by the computer. But the question which was not saved, the boy is able to answer. The John Robinson has given the answer. So this is the lesson, children, what we have dealt from the computer game. So in the next class we will continue the another topic.